What's going on, world? So today I'm filming content for a 4-day upper lower body split that I put together and that I am just sending out to whoever wants it. Today's week 1, day 1 of the workout, and it's upper body. I am performing the exercises that fit my style, that complement what I want to accomplish. I recommend that everyone do the same. You don't have to stick to it to a T. If there's a certain exercise that you want to substitute with, feel free to leave me a comment if you have any questions on how or what exercise to substitute instead of the exercise that's prescribed. So let's get into it. We're gonna start with the dynamic warm-up. I have a video that I will link below that has a full body dynamic warm-up that should prep you for this workout. I recommend that you do it every time you begin the workout. First superset is barbell bench press and bent over rows. I am performing a barbell floor press and a barbell bent over row. So I am making adjustments for me. Feel free to make adjustments for your own self. If you don't have a barbell, dumbbells are fine. If you don't have a bench, I love the floor press. Scale to your fitness level, right? We're going 4 rounds. The rep range is anywhere between 8 to 10 reps. Find a weight that is comfortable enough that allows you to perform those reps. If you can't hit 8 reps, the weight's too heavy. If you feel like you can do more than 10, add a little bit more weight. Guys, the next group of exercises is barbell overhead press. That's what I'm doing. And then pull-ups. I chose to load the barbell overhead press up a little bit. I should still be able to maintain that 8 to 10 rep range. Again, scale the weights to your fitness level and choose a weight that allows you to properly maintain 8 to 10 reps. If it's too light, challenge yourself a little bit. If you're struggling to hit those reps, tone it down a little bit. Again, this is week 1, day 1. Get a sense of the weights. I recommend keeping a journal, logging the weights that you used for the workout today. So we're gonna go 3 sets, the rep range 8 to 10. That was a little bit challenging. I may tone it down a little bit. I was still able to maintain my core engagement and not have to compensate by using push press. So I might take that down a little bit next round. Next is pull-ups. I did 8. Start from a dead hang, come all the way down to a dead hang. The next group of exercises is bicep curls, which I am switching for incline, alternating bicep curls, and then tricep dips. 3 rounds, 10 to 12 reps with this superset. Again, a weight that allows you to perform 10 to 12 reps. Guys, we're going to finish out with plank holds. 3 rounds, anywhere between 30 to 60-second holds. For this, you want your pelvis tucked underneath you, your back is completely flat, you want a nice straight line. Try and hold it as long as you can. Record the time that you held it for. Next time you do this workout, on week 2, let's try and add anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds to it. Let's get into it. I chose the forearm plank today. Whoever said 60 seconds is not a long time. Never did a plank and they're out of their mind. All right, I just completed week 1, day 1 of the upper lower body split workout that I put together. Again, this workout is designed to be scaled to your fitness level. If the exercise doesn't make sense for you, change it for something that works the same muscle group. If you need help with exercise selection and variation or progression or regression, leave a comment and I will do my best to supplement that exercise with something else that you either have equipment for or that you're able to perform safely. If you found this tutorial useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for day 2, which is lower body. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Follow for more. This is actually going to be an 8-week program that I am going to film each workout for those 8 weeks, and I will be scaling and progressing to my fitness level. And if you follow along, I will help you do the same for your fitness level. You guys have a great week. Be safe, make healthy choices, be healthy, take care of that mental health. I do put up meditation videos, so if you want to work on your mental and decompress, meditation is great. check out the videos. I will link them below. My dynamic warm-up, I will link below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Peace.